Yo everybody, welcome back to Water Closet channel. Still in phase 2. So I bought another package. So let's, without further ado, let's open it. Oh, so there's a box here. Oh, strap, rig strap. That's all. Front, we turn it up a bit. It's a Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6. Xiaomi 手环6. At the side, we can see. Alright. Quite glossy, 1.5 inches. Why is it not focusing? Yep, 1.5 inches AMOLED O2 sensor on the blood. And then this is the reach manual, and this is the stress evaluation and breath training, and this is for the ladies periods calculation. And the other side is 30 modes of exercise or training, swimming, 50-meter swimming, sleep monitor, LA, and what is it? Focus please. Yeah, magnetic charging. Oh, behind we can see Xiaomi 手环6 XM HS15 HM 125 milliamps. Battery is lithium. Android 5 or iOS 10 and above. 50 bars, 5.0 Bluetooth, DC 5 watt input, 250 milliamp maximum, blah 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 blah. Okay, now let's pop this up. I don't need a knife here. Okay. Okay, you can just slide it out. Okay, nothing inside yet. So the smart fit watch right here. Let's see what other things is in here. Can open at the side here. Okay, manual teach you how. Then you have to use these apps. And then the charging cable is in here. Let's see what kind of charging cables. It will be different from the smart band that previously they released. In previous one I was in smart band 4. I didn't buy the smart band 5 because it doesn't really upgrade too much. But now this is the old AMOLED display. So yeah, I'm going to upgrade it. So this is the magnetic snap charging. Compared to the previous one, you have to like slot it into these things to charge. I'm not sure if my Mi Band 4 is able to use it. I don't think so. It snap. Nah, won't snap. Let's look at the Band 6 itself. Okay, here it is. Same design, using this kind of hard to lock down things. Front band itself, black strap, and the back sensor and the charging area. Mi brand. Let's take a look. Whoa, it's really snap like that. Quite tight, yo. Okay, let's see how to turn it on. Man, how to turn it on? Is it don't have battery or what? Oh, this is the cover, protective screen cover for this. So I believe we need to charge it up first. Let's see, where's my power bank? Okay. Oh, it's charging. See, it's 0. You can see the time is 11:04. Well, it's kind of accurate, man. And it's 0% and it's charging. Let's pause for here, then I should continue after it got some battery to be connected to my phone. Okay, meanwhile I can just trying to download the apps. Not sure what apps is it. I got 2 different apps for my Xiaomi previously. Okay, so is Xiaomi Wear Lite, which is I got it before. Yeah, this one, Xiaomi Wear Lite. You connect to this one, which currently I already have 1 device connected to it. My Mi Watch Lite is connected to it. Yeah. And how is it now? Still 0%. Oh, anyway, just 1 minute charge. Anyway, I'll just pause here. I shall continue back later. Smell later. Okay, welcome back. I think it's about 10%. I charge it around 0.4. About 9 minutes. It goes up to 10%. So let's try out the apps and try to connect it. Okay. Profile. Then devices. Add device. Okay, you can see here Mi Band 6. Searching for device. Yup, you got it. Okay, I have to agree all this. Phone connected. Verifying signature. Okay. Okay. Isn't support in the current region. Why so stupid? Welcome back. Actually, you have to use the other. If you're outside of China, you have to use this Mi Fits. Then you same way you have to connect it. Look for it, connect it, and activate. Okay. Just a second. Then you just start searching. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. Okay. Alright. Reminder. Set up after you change the device. Okay. Restore it. Compact size. Pair. Okay. It's the same. Full display band. Just an introduction. Variable blood oxygen detector monitoring. Immediate notification. I'm not heartbeat. Oh, nice. And next, 30 types of workout and choose freely. 1 score to know your sleep breathing quality. Okay, try it now. So updating resources. Oh, every time I bought this thing, it got new firmware to be updated, which is good. I think there's improvement there. Kind of fast too. Don't know what is it updating. Yeah, it kind of flat compared to the previous version for those sensor, so you won't be having some marks on your wrist when you're wearing it for too long. So it's still quite nice. You see, if compared to the previous one, it's more protruding out. Then this one is actually a bit flatter compared to the previous version. It's a good thing. I mean, like compared to the Huawei watch, not watch, Huawei Band 6, that one is totally flat. That is really amazing. Still updating. One thing that is advantage to Xiaomi is all the face display and the setting which you can download from the apps is actually free. But if it's for Huawei, most of the items is you have to pay for it to get those beautiful design. And for those free one, you can only like just a little, not much. Things like 20s you can select. And if you switch to the Huawei China store, there'll be more option and more design for you to check and to select. But the thing is, most of that will be cost also and only available to the Huawei VIP, and we can't even have an account on it unless you have a China bank account or what. Then only you can synchronize it and only you can download it, or else you have to keep to those free one, which is not so good compared to Xiaomi. Xiaomi is really give free for all the downloadable display design. But it's still updating, I don't know why. Keep the band close to your phone. Yes, I'm updating. Dun, 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 dun. Should I cut this out? I should. Okay, finally it's finished. I think it took about 5 minutes or what. So after updates everything, you can see the status is charging. Then you can go to the store and look for those downloadable and the display of the face display. Oh, it's refreshing. Oh my god, why so slow? I think it's believing this is just keep connecting to the China. Oh, it's so nice. So you can see compared to the previous version, is the entire globe. There's a spherical on top which cover everything, which is nicer. All these are free, and this cute one. Oh, SpongeBob. Nice. Oh, I like this. Cute little carrot. All these are downloadable for free, man. Eva, oh my god. You got Miku, Hatsune. Okay. This is so much thing to do, and those animated is so cute, and robot. My god. Yep. Nice. Okay. Anyway, let's go back first to just talk about the things. You got notification, incoming call, apps notification. On here you can set up for all those WhatsApp, WeChat, and Line maybe. Idea alert. This I don't know why. What is it? Oh, to ask you if you are in healthy sitting, you have to walk for another few minutes. Coming SMS information, coming email, go notification. Okay, this one will tell you 1,000 step or 10,000 step per days. Okay, vibration when I call, event, alarms, all this will tell you vibrate, and help monitoring heart rates. Nice. Normal heartbeat, sleep, stress. In default mode, everything is just off. You have to turn it on yourself. This is the band setting. Language is, of course, that will based on the apps itself to follow. The base will be English. If your base of your phone is using Chinese or Jianghuan, so it will change the display itself. The display items, so all these are actually display shown in this one. If you don't want, you can just remove it. So in Singapore, it's actually you don't need Alipay, so I just delete it. So it'll drop to the bottom. If you want it, then you can add it in. There's other modes here which will be hidden inside the menu setup later. So if you want it to be shown in the main display, you can just drag the right hand side to up, down, yep, something like that. Anyway, we'll just save it. Next is the shortcut settings, similar workout setting. What you're going to do, because there are 30 activities. Leave to view, so you just leave it out, then you'll tune off. So usually I'll just schedule it normal 7 to 10 p.m. Yep, that's quite normal. Night mode, yes, I have it to turn it on. Schedule turn on time, so Night mode I'll usually set up to 10. Okay, then wake up tomorrow morning. Okay, then you can wear it on the left, on your right, and there's no other arms for you to write. The rest are event reminder, alarm, weather, alarm, work clock. All this can be made, and you can find band discoverable. You have to turn it on, agree. Okay. Okay, that's all. Let's go to the band itself. Okay. Let's stop charging. Okay, you can see front, very shining, clear. It's a whole LED. The add in can show payment code. Okay. No, I don't want to download Alipay. So when you swipe to the left, it straight away go to the Alipay. You swipe to the right is the weather. Then control your music. You have to on your music player on the phone, then only you can use this to control. Oh, that's all. Then top and bottom is actually different thing. Notification, no notification. Nobody likes me, so nobody send me email or what. Okay, the rest is quite simple. Stress, yeah, very stressed. Okay, that's all. Right, nice, right? So that's all for me. Thanks for watching. It's a good buy, but if you compare to the Huawei Band 6, I'll definitely recommend the Huawei Band 6 because you see the screen. Which one looks nicer? Yeah, that's totally uncomparable. See, definitely will go for the Huawei Band 6. It's much nicer. Although some of the face display won't be free, but yeah, bigger screen, nicer, and the backside, you can see the backside. It's totally flat, man. It's nice to wear, and just $66 Sing dollar compared to this thing. This thing cost me $50. Yeah, maybe you can get a cheaper price, maybe 40 something. For that $16 additional to on top of this, I think the Huawei Band 6 will be more worth it. Yep, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.